Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will discuss about SAP SD, Sales and Distribution module. Before we go for implementation part, we should have theoretical knowledge also, like what is ERP, SAP, SD, what is this. So we start with ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So as we can see from these three words, we can understand that ERP is something that help in planning of resources in an enterprise or organization. So resource can be like man, a machine, raw material, product, anything that exists in organization and enterprise called resource, and we have to plan these resources so that we can enhance the efficiency of organization. So ERP basically help you in run your entire business system, including all processes like finance, manufacturing, supply chain, service, procurement, and more. What it will do, it integrate these processes into a single system to provide seamless integration of all the information following through the company. So let's see it by the an example. First, we will take an example business workflow without ERP, so that we can understand that why we need ERP. Okay. So let's assume that there is a customer who place an order for a product. Okay. So what sales office will do? He will confirm from inventory that check that product is available or not. If product is available, then he place the order. He deliver the product to customer. Otherwise, inventory tell the production unit that product is unavailable. Okay, and then production unit purchase raw material from vendors and then manufacture that product and deliver to inventory, and the expansion in occurred informed to the finance system. And once sales office receive the product, he deliver to the customer. Okay, and then what revenue made, they inform to the finance system. So as you can see that we required information changing between two units. Okay, so it's not only time consuming, it's also have high cost and human effort also required, because we require many people for sharing information. So to resolve this problem, we will go for ERP system. When you see that how ERP help, you will understand. Okay. So let's here customer place the order. Here what will happen, we use the central database to store all the information. Okay, from every unit we store information into a single central database, like production inform that what product they have, and all the information like this amount of product they have, this expansion occurred, and when we required raw material for vendor. All these information are stored in central database. Inventory also store all the information in central database that this product is available, and all the bills are settled by finance units from the central database. So once customer placed the order to sales office didn't require to think that to whom they need to contact. They just check in database that product is available or not. Okay, if product is available, they deliver to customer. Otherwise, they just they just inform in database that this product is required. Okay, and production unit automatically find out that what's required in our enterprise. Okay, so and after that the sales office update the revenue also in central database. They don't require to contact with finance units. So as you can see that there is no required of information sharing between different units. Okay, and all the units integrate in one place. It's called central database, because all information are placed in central database. We didn't require to store different information, different data for different units. All data is what is going on in enterprise is stored in central database. So let's see how ERP help. By point we will see. that it helps for integration of business process, as you can already see. Okay, so overall control of organization, better controlling of different business process, best utilization of resource like man, material, and machines. By integrating the all the process, and the best part is that we can manage all things like man, material, manage every resource we can manage easily, and we utilize it in a best way. So ERP help in elimination of data redundancy. As you can see that we don't require to collect data and store data for different unit differently. No, we don't require to store data different for different unit. We just place all the data at one place. Okay, so all data is available in central database. Manager can utilize their time in analyze and spend less time in coordination efforts. It means like that if we don't need to coordination between process, so what we will do at that time, we will utilize and analyze that what is going on in enterprise and how can we enhance the efficiency of enterprise. So it will help. Okay, so this is all about ERP. And yeah, ERP product in market, there are different product of ERP. One of them is SAP, Oracle, then PeopleSoft. So there are many more, but mostly used product of ERP is SAP. We will discuss about it in next video. We will discuss about what is SAP, how it works, and how it's different from ERP. SAP is not only limited to ERP, it's more than ERP. We will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like and share video, and do subscribe my channel so that you can receive more and more information.